So I took my hair out yesterday. I wore it in twists for about a week, give or take. And yeah, I took it out for one day, one event that I went to, and now I'm about to wash it and twist it back up again. I usually use normal conditioner, normal shampoo. I don't always shampoo. I'm probably gonna shampoo today because I put some oil on my hair last time I did it in the twist, my videos on YouTube. So I will wash today, condition, might deep condition in the shower. I just use like a thick leave-in to deep condition in the shower. The warm humidity in the shower kind of opens up your hair follicles, lets that penetrate. So I might do that. And then I'll be back to show you like some sections of what I do. I will be drinking wine. It's Super Bowl Sunday. I don't really care about the Super Bowl. I do care about Rihanna's performance, if that's happening. Yeah, so whenever I feel like coming back to deal with, I will record it. Other than that, I'll be eating and drinking. Oh, get some texture shots of the hair. Yep. Yeah. You know. It looks good, it's just, it's not gonna look good by Wednesday. And I'm not gonna feel like doing it Wednesday, you know? Cause then work week, life. So yeah, Sundays, usually weekends, Saturday or Sunday, I go ahead and wash, retwist. Yeah, I'll post some snapshots of me taking this out yesterday and some pictures from the place I went. I went to a distillery tour, a whiskey distillery tour. So I'll put some of that in this video. This is what it looks like right now. Okay, so I washed and conditioned my hair. I did deep condition. I just put like a thick conditioner and, you know, did the rest of my stuff in the shower. It'll be a lot drier later when I actually feel like doing it. So yeah, I'm gonna pull it back for now. I had this wrapped around my head so it doesn't drip everywhere. I might wrap it around all of my hair because it's wet. Yeah, and I'll show the deep conditioner that I used. So one last piece. I've been doing this for about 3 hours. I deep conditioned in the shower with this stuff. It's very thick. It's mostly water, shea butter, and glycerin. So it's moisturizing, but it's really thick. So I like to do it in the shower. And I rinse that out. And then for like the twist and moisturizing my hair, I just use water and this leave-in. Started out finger detangling sections, obviously sectioned it, finger detangled a little bit first, and yeah. It took me about 3 hours. I did take breaks. I did eat dinner. So yeah. They'll be shorter, obviously, when they dry. I'll probably pin them back a little bit to like stretch them, and then so they don't get caught on my earrings, which they do.
Oh, so put the K-Camp in there.
I did.
I like that one.
What you know about that, Britt? Come on
I
now.
love K-Camp. Okay, first of all,
Me too.
I used to listen to him.
I went and saw K-Camp. He came to a club we was at one time, and he got booed off the stage. It was before he got hot. And I remember he had Money Baby. Didn't nobody know anything about it. I knew he was gonna be hot, but.
Yeah, I found a lot of artists from him.
Have you seen the Jeeps?
Expensive.
They are expensive, but they're like a spaceship on the inside.
They are. They're nice as fuck too. One of these days, man, I'm gonna get that GV80 though. Yeah. I wasn't gonna spend no money on it. I'm gonna lay in it. I've never driven a manual.
I want to get a manual next. Well, not for my.
Yeah, if I play it.
But we'll get a sports car or a like rental, and you drive through the mountains.
That'd be dope.
You know what else we need to do in Colorado? We all need to go in
Smoke.
and just rent it out. Yeah, you can just rent
We're
it out.
not there.
Because I'm like, dude, then we can go whenever the hell we want.
Y'all let us know when y'all trying to invest. You know, I like looking for houses.
If everything goes how I plan. Get up closer. Go, keep going.
Y'all so crazy.
Right up on that forehead.